Hello, my fellow Sierra Leoneans, citizen of the Republic of Sierra Leone, in and out of Sierra Leone. I say, una good day, una cabo, anytime with this audio meet you. So, this Nagbasharaka today, I come with some one advice to the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, and the other thing, again, what they talk about now concerning we fundamental human rights in this country. But before that, let me take a music.
Red flag, Diamond Prince Silver Pong, 5 billion strong,
Just believe in your talent, your talent. Just believe in your talent. Just believe in your talent, your talent. Just believe in your talent.
Diamond Prince, yo. Pray for your enemy, like you like you. I've read deep forest, makes it not bless you. Even if blood brother when you trust go betray you. Believe on it silent, God not go deceive you. Start from making a life, I swear they go envy you. Pancake and witch gun, next time for kill you. Don't think I'm finna, we should not go meet you. Just be yourself and say waiting blacks you. You say they sign you, cash if I not see. And then long rap, you flow not impressive. That's what it is, I'm all I do for free. 5 billion strong, Diamond Prince climbing victory. Song when I sing song, you grab you what you want. And you want that before, but it's a casket back and me not like a star, we're not a great son.
So just believe in your talent. So my advice what I get from Mr. President today is that now people they hail you, now people they say you not this, you not that. But Mr. President, I get respect for your office. But my advice what I get for you, Mr. President, you don't ever let them or you should don't quite you in a quiet time you think of this. For say one day you go become a former president of Sierra Leone. One day you will be the former president of Sierra Leone. And most of the people when they engineer you today, when they talk, say, President, Lord will do this, Lord will send them, so they're not get for them with you. All the calamity where they make, all the bond where they make, now you didn't get for them. And tomorrow, they're not go there with you for talk for you. And this will tell the guy for talk, Mr. President. You go like tomorrow, we be former president, then begin treat you and molest you like the way they do and so. You go want tomorrow, we be former president, where then seize the property then. You go want tomorrow, we be former president, where then disgrace you like where then they do and so. So, my advice what I get for you, Mr. President. High time you know how you go able to resolve the house. High time you know how for able for resolve issue. Because one day you get for be a former president. And must not say this is a democratic system we're doing. If it not be 5 years, it will be 10 years. So after 10 years, you go on make them go the treaty so you go on within the happen so way happen to you back. No, I'm not sure if Mr. President go want to than the happen to him. Or you go want revenge or you go want political intimidation. No, Mr. President, I believe say you no go want that. So then I promise Salon people them back for can talk about some of the fundamental human rights of people them, but wanna continue with the music.
Diamond Prince plus lyrics and I think like a man.
Just believe in your talent, your talent, your talent. Just believe in your talent, you will surely make it.
Believe on with talent, Juju not a shake we. Red flag movement, the best thing ever. You dey play with Juju, when you dey prosper, snitch is alone, brother. I'm a rat to where you think you dey do it, you destroy your career. One on one battle, I mean a mic battle, it's gonna make snitch. Saloma too wicked, I know you feel jealousy. Over with swag where I check the industry. Same thing they happen, smile to me, laugh to me. Where I turn back, you dey foil me. Why you for foil me? Not so you make me, I believe in inshallah and I believe in destiny. The way to I go make come and reach the sky. You not go able to draw with talent too heavy. Come and support we.
Just believe in your talent, your talent. Just believe in your talent.
So now they talk about some fundamental human rights, them where like then they universal human rights, then we be say all over the world, then rights then they irrespective of your country, But I dey read them law the way I think say they need to go properly in this country. And Mr. President, I want make you take a time and watch to them thing and the way they talk. Because tomorrow you back get for turn former president. And then laws them the name people get for court for able to save you and guide you. And because of that, now we carry it on one way listing. 1. Article 3 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights say everyone has the right to life, liberty, and security of a person. Everybody get rights for making live, and get rights for making get freedom and liberty and security of a person. For see nothing happy with and when a bad thing in the country. So Article 5 says no one shall be subjected to torture or to cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. So nobody no go subjected to torture, inhuman treatment, or they treat them because of una to get palaver or because you don't get grudge against her, or degrading treatment, he treat them, he try for bring a can down or punishment way not correct. Nobody no go able subjected to that. Article 5 of the Fundamental and Declaration of Human. I get the Article 9. No one shall be subjected to habitual arrest or detention. Nobody no go be subjected anytime that they can arrest and they go put on a cell. Anytime that they can, you know, go so in a violation of human rights. Where then they call you just can't only go put in a cell without trial, without not going to court. You know, they just only put in a cell. Now a violation of human rights. So down the back, if you done it, they continuously up in a violation of human rights. So, Mr. President, Article 11, 1. Everyone charged with a penalty offense have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty according to law in a public trial at which he has had all the guarantee necessary for his defense. So, everybody where they defend against crime, now then they prove are innocent until you go to court who say getting your lawyers and where them go to up, then the court prove and say yes and guilty before then they make and get any penalty. You not go punish the person where the law not prove it guilty. Like for instance, then say person don't thief, you just go lock her now, you go make a where law you not go before law go prove and say in thief. Or then say person don't rape, you just go lock away law not prove and say na rape and rape. So because of that, people them not going to be subjected to that na a violation of human rights, and you not go able put law per person where in not getting in your lawyers them not there for defender and will approve in all reasonable without saying that so in happy. So Article 2 of 11, no one shall be held guilty of any penalty or offense on account of any act of omissions which did not constitute a penalty offense under national and international law at the time when it was committed. None shall a brief penalty be imposed than the one that was applicable at the time the penalty offense was committed. For instance, you know go take a penalty, you put on purpose for small crime again, big penalty where be say you not convenient to within the crime when commit, or you know go take a penalty, you put on purpose because of a year time where be say we sign enough for and the law not for fine and guilty, you make him be guilty because of you ate that person, you get personal grievance, then they all na a human rights abuse. So, Mr. President, so Article 12, no one shall be subjected to habitual interference with his privacy. Nobody not go be subject. Every time in privacy you not interfere, you not go be subjected within family, in home, or in correspondence, none to attack upon his honor and reputation, or in honor or in repetition, I try for bringing a candle. Nobody knows separated. Everyone has the right to the protection of the law against such interference. Everybody get right for them protect them from when they no interference in privacy, in family business, or in repetition na the society. and everybody get a right there for where the law protect them from them thing and they were not happy. Mr. President, I want make you look at them thing and they were they make. So, Article 13, everyone has the right to freedom of movement and reside within the border of the state. Everybody get right for live any sign of the country where you want live, and everybody at everybody get right back for live within any country and for come and stay in your own country back. You get a right there inside the law. Mr. President, Article 70, everyone has 71. Everyone has the right to own property alone, as well as in association with other. Anybody get right for all property, whether na in one or with other people there, and get right for all property. So no one shall be habitually deprived of his property. Nobody for deprive you company of his property. The fundamental human right, Article 17 of you go Article 20. Everyone has the right to freedom of peaceful assembly and association. Peaceful assembly and association. You get right for they who say one for they who say one belong. Now you right. So, two of them, no one may be compelled to belong to an association. Enough for force anybody for belong who say no one belong. So, Mr. President, now some of the supplications I want to make to you. Thank you very much, Mr. President. So, take this sweet music.
Exclusive, Elliot on the beat. AME to my beautiful country, my lovely country. Land that I never forget, always love. To my beautiful country. Sierra Leone, yes I love Sierra Leone, yeah. Sierra Leone, now my papa country. Sierra Leone, yes I love Sierra Leone, yeah. Sierra Leone.
So this is the eyes of the girls and girls and most
Anywhere you do,
reality and wanted story. See other people be wise that would
don't forget the country.
Thank you for listening.
Cause
This
no
is
place like home. Beautiful sea we have.
You talent, mama no let you talent. Just believe in you talent.